So the next one really is inspired by probably Japan, no? What would you say?
I'd say Japan.
Yeah, it's Japan. So organic salmon, wild salmon's in season coming now. So we're going to celebrate it by doing our interpretation of what you would have as condiments. So we made a wasabi mayonnaise. And then with that is some freshly grated wasabi as well. So here we've got some daikon, and we've just dressed it in a little ponzu. I remember when we had some sashimi out there, there was this. You'd get like cherry blossom, you'd get this served sometimes with the fish. I've got a little wrap here with some pickles, cucumber, spring onion, shimeji. The salmon's just been seared, then dropped into butter. Then we just use almost like a teriyaki glaze. We spray it with a little elderflower vinaigrette that we made from last year's elderflower. And something about that floral flavour really goes well with it. So again, I wanted something really fatty and sticky and delicious. And we've gone for some pork that's been glazed on the stove with like a teriyaki glaze. And then to finish it, we're going to add a little shiitake puree. Shiitake is very, very strong, very powerful, and it just works with the dish. So you almost got this salmon, very fatty, kind of moist. You've got the fat coming from there, you've got the acidity, the freshness from the mouli, you've got the heat coming from wasabi, you've got the clean coming from the wrap, and then you've got this massive umami hit coming from, they don't work on that, does it? That's it, and then we finish it with a little tempura of the leaf of the wasabi as well. There you go.